This dress is really beautiful, isn't it? But I want it to be more beautiful. I have a way. First take it off and spread it on the table. Use scissors to cut the line like this. Please cut it carefully on both sides. Throw away the leftovers and put on you. Are you guys surprised? It's beautiful, isn't it? Perhaps none of us can think that skirts can turn into tops, right? Add some accessories like glasses, wallets, or handbags, so you can confidently go to town. You have a pregnant wife who has both children, and you've learned what to avoid for a woman during pregnancy. You tell her not to smoke, but when you make a call, you go out and listen to the phone. As soon as you leave, she takes out the cigarette and smokes it, and you find out. You think of a way to stop her smoking, and you've got the following way. You take a packet of candy and put it on the sofa. When she comes to sit on the sofa, looks for the package which is nowhere to be found, and she finds out the package, she will put it in her mouth and forget about smoking. The sweetness of the candy will make her excited and forget about cravings. That's a smart thing. And when you do it but it doesn't work, be very aggressive with her, saying that is not good for the fetus. When she finds out she smokes, run up and quit, freeze her milk box and give her. I am sure that, along with your kindness and affection, will help her quit smoking.